Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day in one of my classes, we got talking about music and about musical instruments that people played, about singing and dancing and all that kind of thing. And one of my students mentioned the fact that a few years ago she'd taken up the violin and she'd really given it a good go. She'd had lessons, she'd really tried to learn to get better at it. But after a couple of years, she found herself getting very frustrated by her lack of progress. And in the end, she just knocked it on the head. However, rather than getting rid of the violin, she decided to basically stick it in the cupboard in the hope that one day she might decide to have another go at it and maybe try and learn a bit more. Since then, though, it's basically been sitting there gathering dust. If you say that something is gathering dust, you mean it's not used for a long time. So, you might have a guitar that's basically been gathering dust since you injured your hand because you're not able to practice anymore. Or maybe, like me, you have tennis rackets gathering dust in the basement because you haven't played for ages. I often think that half the stuff I've bought my kids over the years, all those birthday presents and Christmas presents, is basically just sitting in a cupboard gathering dust, and that at some point I'm going to need to try and declutter everything and get rid of some stuff. Maybe you have a pair of skis sitting out on the balcony gathering dust unused for far too long. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to hear about things that you have gathering dust.